Hello. You are watching Monmouth English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 1. Write 25 practice questions using modals. Answer. Here are 25 practice questions using modal verbs to help improve your English conversation skills. Can you help me with my homework? Could you pass me the salt, please? May I come in? Might it rain tomorrow? Should I bring an umbrella? Must we finish the project by Friday? Shall we go to the park this evening? Will you join us for dinner? Would you like a cup of tea? Can I borrow your pen for a minute? Could I speak to the manager, please? May I use your phone? Might I suggest a different solution? Should he apologize for his mistake? Must they wear uniforms to school? Shall I open the window? Will it be sunny tomorrow? Would you mind closing the door? Can you drive a car? Could we meet at 5 o'clock? May we take a short break? Might he come to the party? Should you study harder for exams? Must you leave so early? Shall we watch FGN channel tonight? These questions are designed to practice expressing ability, possibility, permission, necessity, and offers in different contexts. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Monmouth English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.